Hello, welcome to another LEGO Star Wars set review, but today's your lucky day because I've got another one. But this time it's a Vulture Droid. 75041 Vulture Droid. And it comes with a spring launcher, which I've already lost one of the missiles already. After I built it and played with it, I've already lost one of the missiles. So, there's the front of the box. Beautiful photo of the Hyena Boomer. I have to hold it back. There's your product shot of the Vulture Droid. There's the minifigures. This is the Buzz Droid, a pilot battle droid. You can see by the blue, and you can pronounce that. And here's the pilot. Here's the back shot. Here is the back shot. I could just do this. It's quite cool. Here's it does have its standing feature and a ship mode. I like to call it ship mode. It's very small. It's very small though, and you can stick a pilot in there as well. So now, before anything else, yes, it came with its instruction manual. It's another set will come with its instruction manual. I will be sealing it up and I'll be opening it from one end. Without further ado, let's have a look at the set. There it is. Here it is. Here it is. Let me just zoom in. It's quite small. It's actually quite small, actually. It's actually quite small. Yeah, this is one of my first minifigures like this. This is that warrior from the set. So this is the warrior from the set. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. I think you're supposed to hold it like that. I think you're supposed to hold it like that. You can go bam 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 bam. That's one of the warrior sets. That's one of the separatist units. Commanders. Put you to the side. Here's the Buzz Droid. Here's the Buzz Droid. The annoying little pests. Here's one of the annoying pests that will take down cruisers, Jedi fighters, fired from Buzz Droid missiles. So there's the Buzz Droid. He's new to that. Oh god. And I've dropped it. And of course there is the pilot droid, B1. Now compare it to the other one. Compare it to the other one I've previously reviewed, which is the rocket-powered B1. Just to spice things up, I'll get the other one out the gunship, which is in the gunship. He's in the gunship at the moment. He's refusing to come out the gunship. There's the other one. There's your standard one, and there's the pilot. The one on the left is the pilot. The one on the right is the gunship pilot. There's the battle droid. Let me just put him back in the gunship. Doesn't like leaving the gunship. You'll see the gunship back in comparison in a minute. Anyway, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the Vulture Droid. Okay. Well, I can already do a first comparison while it's standing up. Just move these little minifigures out of the way. I suppose we can do our first standing comparison, and I will bring its brother in. Which is the Hyena Boomer. I'll bring in the Hyena Boomer. There's its brother. The Hyena Boomers. Same style face. I'll put an in card on the Hyena Boomer. The Hyena Boomer will be back. For the comparison for ship mode. It'll be back for the ship mode. So anyway, let's have a look. As you can see, it's built different to the Hyena Boomer. The Vulture Droid has a spring. It's still got the same head, but you have to put these into position. So you turn it like the Hyena Boomer does, but it's got an axle turning from it. So on both sides, yes, in here you can stick a pilot. Of course you can stick a pilot droid in there. Of course you can stick a pilot droid in here, which I'm going to demonstrate. Goes in here like so. Hopefully without his gun being in the way. So you can actually stick a pilot in here and cover it. There we are. Those little red things are buzz droid missiles. Just sling that. I'm going to have my hand on there so I don't lose. So yes, I've already lost one of these already. So you just push it down when you fire it. You put it back in. You can't really see. But you just stick it into the hole. You have to have these positioned when you're in airborne. If you're a big fan of the Separatist like me, you really wanted a leg. There we are. There we are. That's how it looks like. It's quite small. Articulation. Now I'll bring the Hyena Bomber back. Compare it now into ship mode, into ships. Compare it to airborne mode. Let me just bring back the Hyena Bomber. Just bring back the Hyena. There we are. I'll bring back the Hyena Bomber. Bring back the Hyena. The Hyena class type bomber. Bring back the Hyenas, which is one. Just to let you know, they're one of my favourite bombers in the game. And also, I will do another comparison. I will do another one to the gunship. The droid gunship. Yes. I will put an in card on the droid gunship as well. There is another version of this which I'm planning on getting. I probably won't spend too much time on the review of it. There's the gunship. I'll move the gunship away. Now let's reposition the Hyena. Let's put that Hyena bomb. You said Hyena bomb for a minute. The Vulture Droid. Let me reposition the Vulture Droid. It's quite easy to do. It's actually quite easy to do. Even a child can do it. 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 Even a child can even operate this thing. Even a child can operate this thing. Can do this. So there we are. If you like this, sir, I'll recommend it if you're a Separatist fan. I'll recommend it if you're a Separatist fan. Unlike me. Unless you're a Separatist fan like me. I'm a true fan of the Separatist Alliance. That's why I always do co-op missions on Battlefront 2. Would you get a good photo of the height? There we are. There we do. There we go. Oh god, there we are. There we are. There we are. If you like it, I recommend it. And also, good luck finding it. Good luck finding it. The others I found were ridiculously expensive. Some were about 85 quid. One was in pieces and had a few bits missing. And one for 100. God, I was lucky to get that cheap. I was lucky to get this this bad boy cheap. So I recommend the gunship and I recommend the Hyenas. If you want it, get them. If you're a Lego Star Wars fan, this is the set for you. Unless you're just a Separatist fan, in general, unless you're a Separatist fan, just put the box in the background. Put the box in the background. Put the minifigures that came with the set. There we are. There we are. If you want this set, I recommend it. Get boosted, get vaccinated, stay safe, and I'll see you cuties later in another video.